What's ringing, guys? It's Cal Ringy, and welcome to week 7 of Beaumont College South Lakes fire alarm test. We're going to start at the FR070s today. So we're going to start with this one. So let's just quickly grab my phone out of my pocket and put it there just quickly while I get my keys in my pocket. So we'll start with this one. Yep, at least we've got it that close. Yep, we'll do these ones last today. Alright, now we'll go do the KAC next to the egg chairs.
Don't worry, I said for next week.
And in the background we've got lovely playing of guitars.
That's fine. It works out brilliant.
Yeah, I don't think personally.
Now we'll do the one by the entrance. Oh, yeah, just let them know there's going to be a bit more fire alarms. We've got 4 more call points to test.
What test? Fire alarms.
Yeah, it's just fire alarms, morning. Just got one more over there, then we'll do these last 2. Only 3 more tests now, then the fire alarms are done. Yeah?
I hope you go on my video.
Okay, thanks.
I sent you on Facebook.
Yeah. Looks like we've got compliments like Katie. And there we go, so that's it for week 7 of Beaumont College fire alarm tests. I hope everyone enjoyed part 7. So, I hope everyone's ready for part 8 next week. So if you all enjoyed it, then please subscribe for future content. And until next time, ring out and don't be alarmed.